Welcome to GP's Vlogs. Today's video is a cycle vlog and we are cycling in Mumbai with a group of passionate cyclists. We are riding to Worli Seaface, which has a new cycle track. I start from my place at 5:30 am. At this time, not all the traffic lights are working and they flash like editing on the beat. I catch up with my cousin brother, who is part of this group and is the reason I am on this ride today. As the sky gets brighter, we now see BHT buses zooming on the road, with this one passing too close to me to awaken my senses for the city roads. Riding a motorcycle and riding a bicycle on road are two different things. You very well realize this when you have to climb the flyovers. For sure, going down is fun.
It's 6:30 in the morning and look at the traffic already started in Dadar.
It's 6:30 and Dadar is one place which wakes up before many other places in Mumbai for sure. Here we are about to pass Siddhivinayak temple and get nice view of temple from outside. Taking our blessings, rolling ahead. At this moment, more riders had joined the group and look at the view, it looks like we are taking over the street.
The AMG outlet.
Taking this shot while riding a cycle is some next level vertigo being on road. We have almost reached Worli Seaface at this moment and decide to regroup before heading towards the track. I was actually whistling at these dogs and they thought my brother was whistling, so they were going towards him and jumping on him.
तिथे मला वाटते तिथे थोडा पॅडल मध्ये डिफरन्स आहे, म्हणजे अजून थोडा लो आहे ना, पॅडल अजून थोडा लो आहे, म्हणजे थोडा अजून खालती आहे त्याचा पॅडलला.
We have made it to Worli Seaface and now we have to find where the cycle track starts from.
Ready, steady, go! अरे रेस नाही लावायची रे, माझ्यासाठी थांबा रे. हा सायकल ट्रॅक आहे, ये नाही आहे ना. मग कुठे आहे सायकल ट्रॅक? अच्छा पुढे आहे. रील मध्ये सुंदर वाटत होता, रील मध्ये सगळ्यात सुंदर वाटत. पण तो बघितल्याशिवाय जाणार नाही. क्या आया? चलती जानी. गाना
all around the rhythm. I'm also asking for a can. I'm also asking for a can I choose it? All around the rhythm. Can all around the rhythm. I'm also asking for a
yeah, let's go buddy, let's go.
I'm also asking for a
Here we are, Worli Seaface Cycle Track. On one side you have the sea waves hitting the shore, and on the other side the most powerful city of India, and you riding in between. At this time, Worli Seaface is rocked by runners and joggers with full swag, just like cyclists, like us. The cycle track is not complete beyond this point, so we halt here. And it's time for me to show you a beautiful view of the Arabian Sea.
Different colors, million faces. All around there is some people crying. Are we losers? Just confuse it. I'm also asking for a better future. Can I choose it? Can I choose it? All around there is some people crying. Are we losers? Just confuse it. All around there are some.
And me checking the unusual fogging on GoPro lens.
All around there is some. I'm also
This road is quite famous for spotting supercars. Mumbai dreams, huh?
I'm also asking for a.
Batman!
After chilling at Seaface for a while, we start our ride back, which is going to be around 15 kilometers. The track is not complete yet, but it for sure is a nice ride till here. This is first episode of 7-episode cycling series around Mumbai. Tomorrow we ride to Powai Lake, which happens to be my favorite spot. Wait, not just mine, it's favorite spot for the whole piston-hearted squad, for sure. These are some pictures from the day.
All around there are so many races, different colors, million.
Hope you enjoyed the experience riding along with me. See you on the next one, all you piston hearts out there. Don't be an oil can.
McLaren and Lamborghini store.